So the homework for Module 5, Lesson 9 is really similar to Lesson 8. And they want us to use a place value chart, place value disks, and the vertical form. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my vertical problem. So 205 and 345. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to set up my place value chart. So I've got 100, 200s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And then I've got 100, 200, 300, 2, 3, and 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and start by bundling, or counting my ones, I should say. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I do actually need to bundle. So I'm going to move that over here. And I'm going to make a new 10. Then I'm going to count my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't have to bundle anything there. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these as well. So I've got 5 here, 5 there, and 0 over here. So now I'm going to do my vertical form. So I've got 5 plus 5, which equals 10. I've got 0 plus 4, which equals 4, plus 1, which equals 5. And then 2 plus 3, of course, equals 5. And so we get the same answer. Now this was problem set 1, problem A. We're going to go ahead and move on to problem set 1, problem F. It's pretty similar, actually almost identical. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up vertically. And then set up my place value chart. I'm going to go ahead and switch colors actually. So I've got 100, 200, 300s, and 350. I'll go ahead and put 5 of these in here. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now ideally, if I had room, I would want to do these 5 across, just for easier counting, but I don't really have the room right now. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 400s. And 43. So go ahead and start with my ones again. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm actually going to need to bundle these up, move them over here, make another 10. So I've got 1 left over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I get to bundle these up, move them over here. So I have 0 of those left. Then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I almost forgot to draw that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to come over here and do this vertically, so I have 8 plus 3, which is 11. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Then I have 3 plus 4, which is 7, plus 1, which is 8. So I have 801 and 801. I'm going to go ahead and move on to problem set 2, problem F. And what they really want us to do down here, they don't say it, but what they really want us to do is make number bonds. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at this right here, And so I know that if I have 440, the next 100 is going to be 500, so I can go ahead and split this up, and I'm going to go with my 60 right here, my 200 right there. Now I chose 60 because that's what I need to get to the next 100 up here. So here's my first math problem. So I have 440 plus 60, and that equals 500. So I've used both of those. So I'm going to bring my 500 down here. I'm going to add my 200 to that, because I haven't used that yet. And so that's going to be 700. So for this last one, I went down to problem set 2, problem G. I'm going to go ahead and do this the arrow way, because I think it's good to practice this, because this is going to be on one of the upcoming tests. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this out. So I've got 6 in my ones place, 60 in my tens, and 200 in my hundreds place. I'm going to make this easy on myself and use that 6 first. So 444 plus 6 equals 450 plus 60 equals 510 plus 200 equals 710. So I know that on one of the problems earlier I said that what they really want us to do down here is the number bond method, but I think it's really good to include the arrow way as well, because that's, like I said, that is going to be on an upcoming test. So hopefully this is helpful.